Hello everybody, this is Amber with Crafterview, and today we are going to be learning how to do this amazingly textured puff stitch. It's also called the popcorn stitch or the bobble stitch. To make the popcorn stitch, what we're going to be doing is basically a few triple crochets all worked into the same stitch right here. We're going to have a lot of yarn on our hook, but I promise you'll be able to get through it if you just follow right along. So grab your hook and yarn and let's get going. All right, so to start, we're going to be yarning over twice, just like that, and going into your stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. Keep these on your hook. Do not finish the stitch, okay? I know that your inclination is to finish the triple crochet, but just leave it there. And let's do that again. We're gonna yarn over twice, okay? Go into the same stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, go through two, yarn over, go through two. Okay, now you've got three on your hook. We're going to do that 3 more times. I know it's going to be a lot of yarn on here, but I like to keep my finger kind of at the base of it to keep everything smushed down. So I yarn over twice, go through the same stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and go through two, yarn over and go through two. Okay. We're going to do that 2 more times. We're going to yarn over twice, go in the same stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, go through two, yarn over, go through two. Okay, 1 more time. Yarn over twice, in the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through two, yarn over and go through two. Okay, now you have 6 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to finish the stitch by simply yarning over and pulling through all 6 loops, just like that. And then I secure it in the next stitch, and in this pattern I'm doing a half double crochet afterwards. And you can stick your finger through the back of it and make it pop right out, just like that. And you can see, once the stitches are in place, how the texture is so cool. And you can run, I love running my fingers over this stitch because it is so texture forward. And then for the next row, you can see your stitches all along the top here to be able to go into for the next side when you flip your work. So it's really a very simple stitch. You've just got a lot of yarn on your hook that you're dealing with, and refuse the inclination to finish the triple crochet and you should be fine. So I hope that helps, and if you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments and I'll be here to help you troubleshoot.